This is an autobiography. The story of mine is not an ordinary story. My story can prove to be very important for humans. My story can prove to be effective in understanding climate change and correcting it. This is my story. I am Energy Swaraj Yatra bus. And probably I am the first bus in the world which is telling its own story. Although there are crores of buses in the world, but I am a unique bus. I am a complete house on four wheels, with all its appliances powered by sunlight. I have a bed to sleep, a library, office, washroom, training room, TV, small temple, a kitchen. Yes, and a small garden too. Solar panels are installed on my roof. All the equipment inside me runs on the solar power. That's why I am a unique bus. One reason for my uniqueness is my creator, Chetan Singh Solanki, a professor at IIT Bombay. People also know him as Solar Man of India and Solar Gandhi. Professor Solanki is worried about the increasing carbon emission on the earth, the increasing temperature of the earth, and the future of all of us. So he took a decision to travel in me. He pledged to not go home for 11 years, to spread awareness about the serious issue of climate change to every nook and corner of the country, and encourage people to take climate corrective actions. And I, the Energy Swaraj bus, became the companion of this journey. The Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, has flagged off this from Bhopal. And in this way, my and Professor Solanki's journey started. When I was getting ready, I never thought that I would be seeing such a bad world. Till now, my journey has completed 1,000 days. I've seen all kinds of people, different places, and different seasons. I saw empty fields in the scorching heat, people trapped in the torrential rains. I saw the houses flowing in the floods, severe cold and snowstorms. Also saw the destructive cyclone of the sea. I saw the pure water of Yamunotri converting into chemical foam in Delhi. I saw concrete roads ripping apart forests. I saw the smoke of factories swallowing the sky. What have these modern humans done? My heart sinks when I see the devastation of the world with my own eyes. Professor Solanki and I experience the changes taking place in this world, and especially climate change every day. Many times, I think why such a big change is taking place on the earth. Is it because of the smoke coming out of the factories and vehicles? Or because of the government, which gives permission to make these factories and machines? Or because of each person who consumes these things? In this journey of mine, many people came to meet me and see my uniqueness. I asked everyone the same question. What is the reason of changing face of the world? While running, I keep thinking, are we being wise or foolish? Is it the smartness of modern humans or a strange helplessness? Otherwise, you only tell me. Which creature in the world would be causing harm to himself? It seems that everyone has some concerns about climate change, but no one is able to do anything. Maybe till now, people have not even understood properly what they have to do. What should humans do? Is the message of Professor Solanki's and my journey. The message of my journey is not in the form of any technical solution. And I think neither any government policy or scheme can be the solution. As Mahatma Gandhi had said, as it is written in Gita, as Professor Solanki says, as it is in nature, everything is limited in itself. The size of the earth, the amount of water, soil and minerals, all are limited, so our needs should be limited. This is the law of nature. But the progress or development that a person wants by using the natural resources is unlimited. There is a desire to use more stuff, to earn more money, to have more and more comfort. It is not possible to fulfill it. How long will poor Mother Earth supply you extra and extra? The bigger irony than this is that everyone wants growth, but no one knows how much growth should happen. 5%, 9%, 15%, 20%. How much?
2019 में मैंने ग्लोबल यात्रा की थी और जगह जगह जाके देखा किस तरह से दुनिया भर के सारे देश एक ही दिशा में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। सब इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस चाहते हैं, जलवायु परिवर्तन को कोई ध्यान नहीं देता, पानी खराब हो रहा है, मिट्टी खराब हो रही, हवा खराब हो रहा है, क्लाइमेट ही खराब हो रहा है, जो जीवन जीने का आधार है वो खुद ही खराब हो रहा है। तो ये प्रकृति का हम क्या करेंगे?
Knowingly or unknowingly, it is because of the use of energy. The climate changed. It is because of the use of energy. The water, soil, and air quality got degraded.
आज की तारीख में विश्व की 85% एनर्जी कार्बन से आती, कोल ऑयल एंड गैस, और ये कार्बन के कारण कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एमिशन होता है, जो कि एक तरह से ग्रीन हाउस गैस है, जिससे ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट होता है, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होती है। ये जो ग्रीन हाउस गैस है इसका लाइफ 300 साल है। तो ये जो हमारा छोटा सा सुख के लिए हम जो ये सब उपयोग करते हैं उससे 300 साल का नुकसान करते हैं, और 300 साल तक किसी को ये दुख भुगतना पड़ेगा। कौन भुगतने वाला ये दुख? हमारे बच्चे और उनके आने वाले बच्चे।
I am just a bus, lifeless. Yet I worry a lot about your children. If so much has changed in the last 1,000 days, what will happen in the next 1,000 days? What will be the condition of the people? Would you understand the message of my journey? Would you take some climate corrective actions? Or would you leave your children to suffer in times to come? I'm telling this to you because you have spoiled the condition of this earth by using energy, by using material, and by consuming more and more. Some people have more and some less. Whatever you have done it. That's why don't compare with others. Start taking actions to rectify it. Climate change will affect everyone. No human being in this world no matter how rich he may be or from any country, is not going to escape from the wrath of climate change. If not today, then tomorrow, I hope that people will definitely understand that humans need nature to live. Nature doesn't need humans. Should every parent, every factory owner, every politician, every teacher, and every common man take this responsibility from today onwards to use water, energy, and fuel in a limited quantity? My journey is to show a new path to the modern man, to teach to live a life based on solar energy by following the laws of nature. My journey will last till 2030. Me and Professor Solanki is not going to stop because I see a ray of hope in the future. This is where I end this first 1000-day part of my autobiography. I hope that when I will write the story of the next 1000 days, I will write about your successes of climate correction. I will write stories of your own change and the change in the society that you will bring. I will write stories of nature's restoration, of recovery of nature, coming back to its original form. I will write 1000 stories of 1000 hopes.